Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Bumbo Auburn, Lil Pluto, all that good stuff. We starting out the video today at the basketball court, as you can see. So, first thing we're gonna do is a game of knockout between my friends. And whoever loses gets pied. Whoever wins moves on. First person to lose. So let's go. Stand by. Yeah, so we got Zaire, Boogie, KJ. Go ahead. First shot. This is a bad time. Y'all do not want to lose.
Oh my God! Go fuck in!
Hell no. Y'all do not want to lose. Y'all do not want to lose, bro. Swish. Swish. Bro, y'all suck. Oh. Go. Shoot. I'm not getting the ball. Go. Get it to Boogie. Boogie, you suck. Oh yeah, Boogie. Oh yeah, get him out. Boogie. Oh no way. KJ. Bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah, bro. Get him out. Get Boogie out, KJ. This shit is dragging. But can y'all at least get one person out? KJ? The game's over. It was the first person to get out.
Oh. I thought we keep going. You're not playing?
Y'all suck. Nah. It's my video. I give the punishments. I don't get the punishment.
Weak shit, bro.
Next day.
Alright, so it's the next day now. Beautiful. Out. Today, this whole week, the weather was just going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Now it's up. Hopefully it don't go down. Look at this though. Nice little scenery. I don't know if you can see it all the way down there. That's what we going to eat. That's the little building. I've never been in there. All my years here at Hampton, I've never been in there. Don't even know what building that is. So we're in the restaurant now. It's called Poor Girls. Poor Girls. I don't know why we're not eating outside.
Ain't no tables.
Too much pop. Too much pop.
Hi. Fred.
Way too much.
5. I apologize, but this is our first Mimosas hour.
And it's long. I want so much.
I got a challenge for y'all. Y'all got 10 seconds.
Hold on.
Wait, what was it, the challenge?
10 seconds to name 3 Nick Cannon songs. Go. 10, 9,
Nick
8,
Cannon?
Wild 'N Out.
7,
Wild 'N Out season
6,
2. Wild 'N Out season
4,
Did he make a song for Love
3,
Love No Cost a Thing. That has to be a name, right?
1.
No, that's a song.
No, sorry. I would have paid for y'all bill too.
Nigga, you named 3.
Fred. Fred. Yo, Fred.
Why you don't
Ask him again.
Why you don't want to go to the Virginia Beach?
You about to ask him a question?
No, not that one.
You miss what?
Listen, man. Why go to the beach when we can?
Yeah,
I need
food
more
here. Oh, look at this.
It's getting on you.
Another one, thank you.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah. Big towers. What'd you get out there?
Thank you.
You just got French toast? What'd you get?
The booty hole breakfast. The booty hole breakfast.
What'd you get?
Bullet hole. I got the booty hole.
What the fuck? Bro, y'all.
Rumor has it.
When you get a mimosa tower,
and you get that mimosa, you gotta.
Look at you.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, that's all you need right there. That's all you need. You see where we are now? So who gonna be man enough to finish this?
Get the fuck out of here.
What you mean?
Wait, what did I? Sorry, it's like, oh, this speech.
Oh, get out of here. Yo, Fred, where your cup at? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Waiter.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait. We finally finished the tower. That's not gonna go in the vlog. They over here. How y'all feeling after the tower? Yeah. Yeah.
She's really Bob.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, we're. I know. Alton, you forgot your keys, bro.
I ain't really felt in my pocket. Appreciate you. Now you caught me in 4 games. 4 games. 4 games. 4 games.
Bro, get out of here. Yeah.
You caught me on 4K. Leave my keys. What is this?
It's Q Cam. Let me see. Okay, we out here. We out here. Fuck this nigga talking about. I look fine as fuck. Yeah. We going to the beach, right?
What beach though?
Buck Row. We going to Buck Row.
Hi, Jada.
Hi.
She hopped into the vlog.
What's up, vlog?
Midday.
It's gonna be
Midday
a great
vlog.
day. Very nice outside.
But you missed brunch. You missed the mimosa.
I'm sorry. I just didn't feel like leaving the house. I really didn't. But I love you guys, so I'm here.
Stop recording. They're walking away. No one's even throwing the ball anymore.
Oh shit, that was
Amber's okay. Switching gears. This is Amber Turner's highlight reel. Coming at you live from her first 2 catches. First 2 catches. Amber Turner highlight reel. Right here. You saw it here first. Huddle.com/Amber Turner.
Baby,